guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. For today's episode, okay, we'll be going through the car interior. Alright, so sorry for the long wait, okay, in between my videos, as I'm having some problems with my channel, my YouTube channel. Alright, but all has been fixed now, so there'll be more videos coming up. Right, so for today, okay, we'll be fixing the car interior. So my car's interior, right, is all the plastic parts are all piano black. I mean, it looks very nice, very sleek, okay, but the thing is, it leaves a lot of handprints and all this, right? It is actually quite difficult to maintain, right? And for my car's leather is all in black as well. It's a black on black theme, everything is black. Alright, so at first glance, sometimes you might see that it is quite clean, right? But if you look closely, right, all the handprints, all the leather, the dust and everything will just pop out because it's black. Okay, so anything on it will actually rise to the surface and it is very clear and it looks quite dirty. So I'll be showing you guys, okay, how I clean the interior. Alright, it might not be a quick one, okay, because I'll be doing quite a bit, okay, in the front, okay, dashboard, steering wheel, center console, okay, the carpets, okay, and the doors. Alright, so I hope I can finish everything in a day. Alright, so guys, okay, before we start, okay, please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, we have more videos like this coming up. Alright, so without further ado, I'm gonna get my hands dirty, okay, gotta get the car clean. Alright, so let's go! guys, okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one, okay, on cleaning up the whole car. Okay, it is not a very easy process, okay, but the thing is, all it takes is just a bit of effort, you know, a bit of elbow grease, okay, and it is done. And you know, a clean car really feels very, very good when you drive it. Okay, believe me, okay, for those of you who have done it before, you should know what I'm saying. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. If you like, please remember to smash the like button, remember to subscribe, okay, and we'll see you on the next one, okay, and drop down in the comments below, okay, what you want to see next. Alright, so guys, stay safe, stay healthy, happy morning cleaning your car. Bye!